Welcome to the CommPortal training. In this training, we will go through the layout of the CommPortal, go through how to program buttons, change voicemail settings, set reminders, and change other general settings. To log into the CommPortal, open a browser and type in https://uccommportal.com. Enter in your 10-digit phone number and enter in your password. The default is OCCW2417. Check the box Remember Me on this computer and click Login. We will start with the layout of the portal. The home screen is where you can change the call settings, either temporary or default. The Messages and Call screen will let you view voicemails and call history. The Contacts tab will let you add, remove, and edit existing contacts and create groups. If you click Make Call, you can put in a number to call and a number to call from. The system will reach out to you and dial the number that you want to call. If you click on your name in the upper right-hand corner, you have the option to log out. The Phone Status area will let you put your phone into a Do Not Disturb state, choose which devices to ring, when to forward, and where to forward to. The Advanced Settings square will allow you to set defaults for forwarding, rejecting, setting distinctive ringtones, forwarding if you are unavailable, or rejecting anonymous callers. To change the default call settings, message settings, notifications, or to set up reminders, click in the Your Services area. Under Personal Details, you can choose to program buttons for speed dials on your phone. Under Security, you can choose to change passwords, PINs, or emails associated with your account. Under Support, you can get information by clicking Help, downloading the mobile or desktop client, or set up a Call Me button. You can also send feedback about the portal. From the Messages and Calls tab, Messages will allow you to see all new and saved voicemail. The Missed Call tab will allow you to see the last few missed calls. The default is set at 10. If you would like this number increased, please contact your system administrator. The max number is 100 missed calls. The Dialed tab will allow you to see the last few calls you placed. The default for this is 10. If you would like this number increased, please contact your system administrator. The max number is 100 dialed calls. The Received tab will allow you to see the last few incoming calls. The default is 10. If you would like this number increased, please contact your system administrator. The maximum number of calls is 100. The Deleted tab will show you any deleted voicemails waiting to be permanently deleted. The Message Settings tab will bring you to the Your Services message setting screen. The New Voicemail option will let you send another contact a new voicemail. To delete all voicemails in your inbox, click Delete All. To listen to a voicemail, click the play icon. To save, reply, or forward the message, click Actions. To delete one message, click the trash can. Under the Contacts tab, you can add a contact or a contact list for easy dialing. Click on the Speed Dial tab to set up 1- or 2-digit personal speed dial codes. The Extensions tab will show you all extensions in use for your company. The Shortcodes tab will allow you to see any company-wide speed dials that are set up. To add a new single contact, click New Contact. To add a new group, click New Group. To import a list of contacts, click Import. To export a list of contacts, click Export All. To edit an existing contact, click Edit. To delete a contact, click Delete. To place a call using the portal, click Make Call. Type in a number to call, choose where the call is coming from, and click Dial. To put your phone status into Do Not Disturb, click Available for Calls and choose Do Not Disturb. You can choose if you want to allow priority callers through. To add callers to the priority list, select Priority Callers. Under the List tab, you can type in a new contact number and click Add New. From the Contacts tab, you can select existing contacts to ring through. From the Extensions tab, you can add existing extensions. Once you have chosen your priority callers, click OK. To disable Do Not Disturb, click Do Not Disturb and choose Available for Calls. To choose where incoming calls will ring, click Ring Your Account Phone and choose what should ring. Your choices are Ring Your Account Phone, this will ring your desk phone and a session mobile. Ring your phones in order. You can add internal extensions or external numbers to your list and ring them from a top-down fashion. Ring your phones together, which will simultaneously ring any phones you specify, or forward to another phone, which will bypass your extension and immediately forward elsewhere. If you choose to ring multiple phones, you must add numbers to call. Click Add Phones here. Add or use a saved number, or enter a temporary number and click OK. Choose a number of seconds for this phone to ring. With any ringing option, you can choose how long you want the phone to ring before forwarding to another phone, going to voicemail, or forwarding calls when your line is busy. To set up any of the advanced settings, click on the setting that you would like to use. Callers on the Forward selected list will be forwarded to another phone. Callers on the Reject selected list will be rejected without going to voicemail. Callers on the Distinctive Ringtone list will ring with a different ringtone. If your phone is unavailable, you can forward calls to another phone. You can also reject anonymous callers without going to voicemail. To set up a Forward selected list, click Forward Selected. Click Forwarding List. Enter numbers, select contacts or extensions, and click OK. Then click Another Phone. Choose where to forward and click OK. Then click Apply to save the changes. To set up the Reject Selected list, click Reject Selected. Click Rejection List. Enter numbers, select contacts or extensions, and click OK. Then click Apply to save the changes. To add someone to the Distinctive Ringtone list, click Distinctive Ringtone. Click Distinctive Ringing List. Enter numbers, select contacts or extensions, and click OK. Then click Apply to save the changes. To set up a Forward if unavailable list, click Forward if unavailable. Click Another Phone. Select a saved number or enter a temporary number and click OK. Then click Apply to save the changes. To reject anonymous callers, click Reject Anonymous Callers. Then click Apply to save the changes. To cancel settings, click Cancel to cancel all of the settings, or click the one you want to cancel and click Apply. To change your default call settings, click Call Settings under Your Services. Under the General tab, you can choose if you want to withhold caller ID while making calls. Choose if you want to provide caller ID for incoming calls. Choose if you want to provide a caller name for incoming calls. Under Call Forwarding, you can choose if the system asks for a number each time you select to immediately forward, select to busy forward, or select a no answer forward. Under Call Blocking, you can choose which types of numbers to block: local, national and mobile, operator, directory, international or premium rates, access codes, or access codes that change configuration. Call Me buttons allow people to call you by clicking a button or icon on a website or an email signature. To set up a Call Me button, click Downloads. If you have a session desktop or mobile, click View Apps. If you don't have a session, this will be the next screen that you see. Choose Call Me. Click Web Pages or Emails. Enter a number, choose if you want a button or link, and click Next. Choose a button style, and click Next. Add the HTML to an email or web page, and click OK. Click Apply to save any changes that you have made. To change your default voicemail settings, click Message Settings. Under the General tab, you can choose if you want to receive messages as emails, provide an email address, choose if you want to keep the originals if you delete the email, include action items like forward as an email, forward as a voicemail, or save. Under Mailbox Access, you can choose how you want to access your mailbox. Choose if you want to skip your PIN, choose a fast login, choose if you want to autoplay voicemail, or choose playback options. You can choose Details and Message, Message Only, or Details Only. Under the Voicemail Greeting tab, you can choose which greeting to use: Extended Absence, Forward All Calls, Personal, System with Name, System with Number, or System. You can record a personal greeting, or use different greetings for business hours, when you are on call, or within a business group. Click Apply to save any changes that you have made. To change the default way you are notified about messages, click Notifications. Under the tab Message Waiting Indicator, choose where to send notification of incoming messages. To change where notifications are sent, click Send Phone Notification of Incoming Message to the following phone numbers. Click New Entry. Enter in a phone number and click Add. Under the Email tab, choose an email address to notify of incoming messages. To add an email address, check the box Send Email Notification of Incoming Messages to the following address. Click New Entry. Enter in an email address and click Add. The Outdial tab lets you configure the voicemail system to call you when you receive a new message. To set Outdial notifications up, check the box Send Outdial Notification Messages according to the schedule. Click Schedule. Click Edit to change the time. The blue color indicates hours the schedule will call. The white color is off hours. Set a schedule and click Save. Enter in a number to send to. Choose which messages should send notification. Set delays for receiving notifications. Set a retry limit and a delay between attempts, and stop retries. The Override tab allows you to configure the voicemail system to notify you differently for a period of time. To set up an override, check the box Override your Outdial and pager notification, sending them according to the schedule. Click Schedule. Click Edit. Choose your schedule and click Save. Choose the override profile and select a date that it will expire. Enter in a number to send to. Choose which type of messages should send notifications. Set delays for receiving notification. Set a retry limit and delay between attempts, and stop retries. Click Apply to save any changes that you have made. To set up reminders, click Reminders. Check the box Enable Reminder Calls for this line. Click New Reminder. Enter in a description. Enter in a number to notify. Select when this will occur: once, every weekday, or every day. Enter in a time for this to occur. Click Play Record. Click the red circle to record a message, and click the play button to listen to it. Then click Add. A less common feature is groups. Most general users may not have this tab. Only if you are part of a multi-line hunt group or a pickup group. This means you are one of multiple extensions ringing for a department. To access this information, click Groups. On this screen, you will either see Log In, which will let you take calls for the group that you're part of, or Log Out, which will stop you from getting the calls. We have now finished with the Home tab, and we'll be moving on to the Messages and Calls tab. To access your voicemail or call history, click Messages and Calls. Click Messages to access your voicemail. To send a message to another person, click New Voicemail. Type in a destination number, choose if the message is urgent or private, record a message by clicking the red record icon, and click Send. To listen to a message, click the play icon on the message you want to hear. Click Play to listen to the message. Click the trash can to delete the message. Click the down arrow for other actions, such as reply, mark as new, forward as email, forward as voicemail, or save file. You can also access these options by clicking Actions on the Messages main screen. Click the trash can to delete one message, or Delete All to delete all of the messages. To access a list of your missed calls, click Missed. This will show the last 10 missed calls. If you would like to change the number, please contact your system administrator. The max number that can be displayed is 100. If you click on a number, you can choose how to call them back. To access a list of calls that you have placed, click Dialed. This will show the last 10 calls that you have dialed. If you would like to change this number, please contact your system administrator. The maximum number is 100. If you click on a number, you can choose how to call them back. To access a list of calls that you have received, click Received. This will show the last 10 calls that you have received. If you would like to change this number, please contact your system administrator. The maximum number is 100. If you click on a number, you can choose how to call them back. To export calls into a spreadsheet, click Export from the Missed, Dialed, or Received tabs. Choose which type of calls you would like to export and click Export. To access messages that you have deleted, click Deleted. Click Play to review the message. To get rid of all of the messages, click Permanently Delete All. If you click Actions here, you can restore the message or permanently delete it. We will now move to the Contacts tab. Click Contacts. Click Contact List to view, edit, or add new contacts. To add a contact, click New Contact. Type in the contact information and click Save. To edit an existing contact, check the box next to that contact's name and click Edit. To add a new group of people, click New Group. Type in a name for the group, choose Members to add, and click Save. To edit an existing group, check the box next to the group name and click Edit. You can also add a list of contacts at once. Click Import. Click Browse and search your computer for the file you wish to add. Choose which action to complete when a contact already exists, and click Import. You can also choose to export your contacts to a spreadsheet. Click Export All. Choose the export mode, Outlook compatible, Windows contacts on Vista, or a native format, and click Export. To set up personal speed dial codes, click Speed Dials. Choose a speed dial number to program, 2 through 9 or 20 through 49. Type in a number to call and click Add. To clear all speed dials, click Clear List. To delete one speed dial, click the trash can next to the one you would like to delete and click Apply to save changes. Click Extensions to see all the extensions that are in use for your business group. To search for a specific contact, start typing a name in the search box. To dial someone, click on the phone number and choose how you are going to call. To see any global shortcodes that exist for your business group, click on Shortcodes. Shortcodes are similar to speed dials, but they are available for everyone and not personalized. To program speed dial buttons on your phone, click Devices. Click Set Keys. Click Edit. Choose Programmable Keys, Line Key. Click the key you want to program. Select Speed Dial from the drop-down list, type in a number to dial, enter a label for the key, and click Save Changes. To change your portal password, click Change Password. Enter in your current password, enter a new password, and confirm the new password. And click Confirm. The Change Call Services PIN is only used by reInvent. End users will not use this password. To change the email address associated with the account, click Change Security Email. Type in a new email address and click Confirm. To change your voicemail PIN, click Change Voicemail PIN. Enter your current PIN, enter a new PIN, and confirm the new PIN. Then click Confirm. If you have a question about what something does on a page, click Help and a description page will pop up. Here is what the help screen looks like for the home page. To download a session for desktop, click Downloads. Click On Your Computer. Click on your operating system and choose to run or save to get a session on your computer. To send feedback to reInvent, click Send Feedback. Click Highlight and select the area of the screen you want to give feedback on. Click Capture. Type in your feedback and click Submit. To log out of the portal, click on your name in the upper right-hand corner and select Log Out. Congratulations! You have finished the CommPortal training. If you have any further questions, please contact your system administrator.